Hey, so you got a new car, i4 M50. So what is this about?
Honestly, this is if you want to go a little bit faster than an M3, then go for it.
No?
But I mean,
So are you saying this is faster than M3?
I think it is.
Really?
But I would still prefer an M3.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is full electric,
Full electric.
which I hate.
Yes.
So you're a traitor.
I don't really like it either,
Huh?
but you know they give me a good deal. So.
Okay, what kind of deal is that?
Oh, apparently right now they can't get rid of the 24s.
Uh-huh. So this is a new car?
This is a brand new car.
Oh, you bought it new.
Yeah.
So what was the MSRP?
MSRP for this is 76,000.
76. And how
Yeah.
much did you get it for?
I got it for a lease. Right now my lease is 609 after tax.
609
Yeah.
after tax.
After tax. So, it's
So
like about
how many?
550.
So how many years?
3 years, 12,000 miles per
Wow,
year.
that's good.
Yeah.
And then you can resell that later.
Yeah. 2
Yeah.
years free charge too.
Free charge.
For 2 years.
Jeez.
But the network sucks. Electrify America network
Uh-huh.
sucks.
Okay, can you kind of show me the inside too?
Yeah,
a little bit?
of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Wow. Is it all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
Okay, that's good.
I'm
All-wheel
not a
drive.
big screens fan.
Uh-huh. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Huh. I never imagined that you would buy an electric
Hey, you
car.
know what? Now I'm really gonna fix the Miata.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, now I'm really gonna fix the Miata because I took this on the freeway on
Huh?
Thanksgiving.
Hmm?
About like it's
Oh,
automatic.
oh, it's hatchback.
It's hatchback.
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
So
I always like hatchbacks.
Yeah, button.
Oh.
So I actually took this on the freeway
Huh?
on Thanksgiving night.
Okay.
I think I went like 60 to 130, really quick,
Really?
really quick.
You know what? I need to test drive this.
And honestly, it wasn't that fun.
No?
No, 60 to
Yeah.
130. It was very quick,
Very silent.
very silent.
There's no the sound, right?
There is a fake sound.
Oh, there's a fake sound. You
Yeah.
can control?
No,
No?
I don't think so. I don't really play around with the settings too much.
Okay, okay. Wow, nice. Okay. We'll make another video later on, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.